Good morning, fourth grade. Happy Thursday. We're so excited to see you. This morning we're going to do a greeting and we're going to do a dance greeting. Are you ready, Miss Gallagher?
I sure am. Here we go. Yours. Show me yours first. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, I like that you have a song with it. All right, fourth grade, do a dance move. Go.
You guys look great. Let's give my thumbs up. Thanks, God.
All right, so remember, fourth grade, since it's Thursday, we are meeting with our book clubs today. So be sure to come prepared and make sure you know what time you're meeting with your teacher.
And when you come to see us on the book club on Thursday, be sure you have your questions answered in either your writing journal or on Google Docs so you have something to share with us. Also, Friday is a great day because we're going to do our Google Meets as a class. So each of us have a certain time. Check your schedule and we will meet you on Friday. We hope you've been having a fantastic week and we can't wait for the weekend for you to have time just to enjoy hanging out and taking a little break.
Oh, yes. All right. Well, bye, fourth grade. We'll see you later.
Have a great day. Bye.